Alright, this is the brownie and broccoli challenge.
You're recording?
Yes, go. Broccoli at the same time. Chew.
One of the top pros.
Now say, welcome to Brick City Bicycles at the same time.
Welcome to Brookwood Bicycles. I don't like it.
You're gonna have to swallow it.
I don't like it.
What do you rate it from 1 to 10?
2.
2? Why 2?
Because I might eat it again.
You might? And why would you do that?
It was half delicious and half nutritious.
This just reminded me of our log cabin episode.
Life in a log cabin. No. Or what was it? Look inside a log cabin. I don't remember the rest of it. But I just remember that's the accent. Log cabin.
Open the mouth. Alright, now you can have a sip of that beer. You want a free bicycle. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited!
Yay! You get to pick one out on this rack. Anyone on this rack.
Bronson's gonna play your footage if you want to watch.
Yes.
Edited footage.
We're gonna watch
It's ready.
footage.
Way too serious.
Ready.
What happened?